Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. And I'm excited to share with you my top 6 favorite stocks in my dividend portfolio. First up is Realty Income, ticker symbol O, known as the monthly dividend company. Realty Income invests in commercial properties and pays dividends monthly, with a strong history of reliable payouts. Next, we have Coca Cola, ticker KO. This iconic beverage company has been a dividend champion for decades, with its strong brand and global reach. Coca Cola continues to deliver consistent dividends, making it a must have in any dividend portfolio. Coming in at number 3 is JP, the JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF. This fund aims to provide monthly income while offering exposure to equity markets. It's a fantastic way to diversify your income sources while still focusing on dividends. Next on the list is JEPQ, another JP Morgan fund that focuses on the NASDAQ. This ETF seeks to provide income through a combination of dividends and option strategies. It's a great addition for those looking to tap into the growth potential of tech stocks while still receiving regular income. Moving on to stock number 5, we have SPHD, the Invesco S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF. This fund focuses on high yielding stocks with lower volatility, making it a great choice for conservative investors. It provides a solid dividend while aiming to reduce risk. Last but not least, we have SCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. This ETF focuses on high quality US companies with a strong track record of paying dividends. It's a fantastic option for those looking to invest in a diversified portfolio of dividend paying stocks. So, there you have it. My top 6 stocks in my dividend portfolio: Realty Income, Coca Cola, JP, JQ, SPHD, and Schwab. Each of these play a unique role in generating income and providing stability in my investments, giving me more than $300 annually. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on investing and personal finance. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What are your favorite dividend stocks out there? Let me know in the comments below.